Hello everyone, this is Sulochana Meena. I have secured All India rank 415 in UPSC CSE 2021 and this was my first attempt. So I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards Team Allied IAS. They have helped me a lot in clearing UPSC in my first attempt only. So I had taken up their prelims and mains test series. In prelims, although I did not take up all the tests, but whichever test I took, and I would say that the questions were very relevant and very similar to the UPSC pattern, UPSC standard. So I would highly recommend their UPSC this prelims test series. And in mains, I took their daily answer writing program. In that I used to write around two questions daily and send them, and within 2 to 3 days they will send back the evaluated copies. So this thing that they will send back within 2 to 3 days, so I used to relate more with my answers and I used to understand more where I have to work upon. And after that also I joined the super simplified 300 super simplified batch that they started this initiative after prelims, so I was part of that, and many toppers discussions I attended it, and also it helped me a lot in my answer writing and mains preparation. So thank you so much Enlight IAS. Their fees is also very nominal, which I think everyone can afford. So on that note, I would like to again extend my heartfelt gratitude towards Team Enlight IAS. Thank you.